I will tell you like what is the difference between Indian and UK work culture basically. So in India, it is more likely that you do not have any boundaries over here in the work life. So basically, if it is 9 to 5, it will never be 9 to 5. It will extend to 9 to 9 or 9 to 10, depending on your manager.
It can be 9 to 9 also.
Right, it can be 9 to 9 exactly. But for in UK, I have seen this thing that is always 9 to 5. Like rarely it is 9 to 5:30. It's never 9 to 9. So this is something that I've experienced over there, that people are very productive because they work timely. Over here, haven't seen people being very productive honestly, because they have to do so much of work. Like they see that okay, मेरे को तो रात तक काम करना ही है, तो ठीक है मैं थोड़ा extend करके कर लेता हूँ, तो वो ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा extend हो जाता है। ओवर देयर दे आर वेरी प्रोडक्टिव इन दैट सेंस, क्योंकि उनको पता है उनको 5 बजे निकलना है। तो ये चीज़ मैंने वहाँ पे ऑब्ज़र्व की है। सेकंड थिंग दैट आई हैव ऑब्ज़र्व्ड इज़ दे आर वेरी प्रोफेशनल। इन माय कंपनी पीपल आर ऑफ माय एज एंड we are very friendly with each other, but there they are very professional. Like you cannot have friends. They do not chat to you. They do not talk to you basically.
You know, actually, this thing I was yesterday. I was sitting with one of my colleagues. He's from US, so he told me exactly the same thing.
Exactly. So they do not talk to you. They are like they will either wish you just good morning, and then they will get onto their desk and work, and if you meet them for coffee, they'll just come to you and say hi, hello, how are you doing, and stuff like that, and they go back to it. They even do lunch on their desk, which was a shock for me, because in India we used to take lunch breaks for an hour and we used to just gossip about it. So yeah, this was a very big shock for me. But then there was a particular work life balance that I could
TV
see.
soaps नहीं होता है ना?
That's right. But I could see work-life balance over there. Like people were very particular about work, like 9 to 5, and then they would go back to their life and do stuff. So ये चीज़ मैंने वहाँ पे बहुत देखा है. तो I would not say that it is bad, but it is not shiny as it looks, because you have to handle other things with it. You have to handle household chores. You have to clean toilets for yourself. You have to cook for yourself. You have to clean the sinks. So if you're ready for doing everything else, then you can go ahead with it. And money-wise, it's okay. Like for the starting, it's not that great, honestly, like we think, but it's not that bad also. You can save.
Plus, I think the added, you're staying away from family,
Right.
which is the biggest thing. I mean, nothing in like money terms can compare with that feeling, which I think definitely must be experienced
Agreed.
living outside.